know you're silly. Hi, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. I'm Ada, and today I'm super excited because I have two boxes here from Bath & Body Works that we are going to unbox. So let's just get right into it. And I semi-matched the box.
Mama.
What's up, baby?
Barbie girl sad.
I know Barbie girl sad.
What's it, Mama?
You're silly. Keep getting me. You keep bamboozling me. So they were having a sale. I'm pretty sure they were having a sale. I hope they were having a sale. I don't remember. I've placed a couple orders. I still have some other orders coming in. We've been getting better at not buying more things until like we need, like we're completely out of it. So we were almost completely out. We had like this much left of the lotion that we had. So we went ahead and ordered more so we'd make it here. So we got, the first thing we got is this Bourbon body cream. I love their body creams because they, for me, they just feel super, super moisturizing. And I love to use them like right after my shower, before bed. My husband will typically massage my feet with them because he's so lovely. But no, I feel like these do a really good job at like deep moisturizing. This one smells really good. This one's actually one that Johnny picked this one out because he really liked this one. I got him this one for Christmas and he was out of it, so we got more. And then the other one we got is, this one we haven't tried yet. It is the Noir one, and this one says it is black cardamom, smoky vanilla, and a hint of musk. Ooh, that smells good. That one smells really good. This one smells really, really good. These are a lot of these that we haven't gotten before. Like this one were like complete blind buys from the website. It was kind of like, let's just hope they smell good. The Bourbon one is a white pepper, dark amber, and Kentucky oak as the fragrance notes in this one, if you were curious. Those two are for Johnny. This one's also for Johnny. He picked this one out because we kind of liked the fragrance. Says it is irresistible passion flower, ylang ylang, and then misty rainforest. Ooh. That one smells really, really good. I like this. I think it's a good choice. If he doesn't like this, I'll take this one. I don't know, just it smells really, just really clean and fresh. And shea butter in it. The packaging was super cute. It's got a little pump, so it makes it easy for them to use. But this one says that it's formulated with cocoa and shea butters for all day rich moisturization to relieve dry skin. Which, if you guys, if any of you guys suffer from, I believe it's called KP, like the little bumps you get on your skin, the little chicken skin, let me know, because we have found a combination of body wash / lotions that have helped clear that up for both myself and our children to have it. So if you guys are interested in that kind of routine, let me know and I'll get that video. It doesn't really have like a crazy strong smell. Like it's a very faint kind of cocoa smell. So I like that one. Hopefully the kids like that one. This one is one of my favorites. It is the Aromatherapy line, and it is the Sleep Vanilla and Lavender. I really like this one, especially at bedtime. Whenever I like wash my hands in the middle of the night, I will put this on. Like every time I wash my hands, I'll put this on, and it smells so good. And it's so relaxing. I also have the room spray in this scent. I got this for Cedric. It is the mahogany and teakwood. He also has the lotion of this. The first time that he used the lotion, he came out of the shower and I was like, whoa, what is that? Like I was thrown off because I'd never smelled it before. But I got him the body wash to go along with the lotion because we were also running out of body wash. So I got this one. This is one of those glass bottles from the Aromatherapy line. I like how they package it. They package the stuff really, really well. This is one of my first orders. Like I said, it's one of my first orders where it's gotten shipped to the house, because normally we just go into the store and buy it, or we just buy the stuff when we're on base. I like buying it in the store more because if we buy it on base, we don't get the points for Bath & Body Works. But this is, oh my gosh, gosh, I love how pretty these glass bottles are. Like, I love it. So pretty. And you can reuse these, so I do like that. But super, super pretty. And it is the Sleep Vanilla Lavender one. Love it. Then I got this one, once again, blind buy. But it is the Waikiki Beach Coconut. And I got this one because I'm like, well, I like coconut, so. And this one says the fragrance notes are tropical white coconut, saltwater breezes, and sun-bleached woods. And I can tell you now, this one, it reminds me of the tanning salon. It reminds me of going to the tanning salon with my sister when I was younger, and they would have all of those different like tanning lotions. That's what this smells like. I like it. It smells good, like the beach, just like summertime. That's what this reminds me of. So I'm gonna love wearing this summer. Right. All right, so then I got some hand soaps. We love these foaming hand soaps. The foaming hand soaps are fun. The kids love them too. So of course I got this one, which is the lavender vanilla one, because I'm boring and I buy a bunch of the same thing. No, I'm kidding, but. Then I got this Hip Hop Hooray Cottontail Cake Pop. It was Easter themed. I thought it was cute. With Easter right around the corner, I'm like, we need some festive soaps. So this one says it is delicious cake batter, rainbow sprinkles, and fluffy buttercream. Yep. That's about accurate. Yeah, it smells like a cake on a stick. It smells good. It's just very, if you don't like super sweet smells, you're probably not going to like that one. And then this one we got, again, because Easter's right around the corner and it's so cute. I love the packaging of this one. It is Tutti Frutti Candy. This one is just the regular gel hand soap. And it says the fragrance notes are sweet jelly beans, mixed berries, and sugared lemon. Wow. Yeah. Exactly as it says. This one, I'm honestly glad I did not get this one in the body spray and the lip gloss, I think. It was the body spray, the lip gloss, and the hand lotion that I was going to get in this scent, and I'm honestly glad I didn't. I just feel like this might be a little overpowering to have like the lotion and the spray and stuff like that. This one might have been a little overpowering for my taste. I do like sweets, but I don't know if I want to smell like a jelly bean all day. And then I did get this Daffodil Daydream. They didn't have the full-size bottle, which was a super bummer because I really loved this bottle with the cute little bunny. We have bunnies, like that's one thing I love about summer is we see bunnies in our yard like all summer long. This one, I wish I could have got this in the bigger size because I really love the smell of this one. Like I think it will be a very good like spring kind of scent, but I will use it sparingly. So I got the Tutti Frutti Candy candle, and this is just the 1 wick candle, but I got that because again I like the packaging. I'm a sucker for packaging. Cute thing. And then this one I really liked. It is the Paleo Santo Vanilla, and if I said that wrong, my bad. Y'all know me, can't pronounce anything. Like, I really like this one because it just smells very earthy. Like, I really like this one. Very calming. And then the next candle we got is this pink lavender espresso. Super simple, cute packaging. Oh my gosh. I love this one. I didn't want to buy the 3 wick candle because I'm like, I don't think I need that much candle, but I think I need that much candle of this candle because this one smells so good. It just reminds me of like a coffee shop. Oh my gosh, so good. I love that one. Okay. So these next things that I got, I'm super excited about because when Bath & Body Works released their Bridgerton collaboration, kind of like their 2-day members only exclusive like mini drop, I guess. I had to buy everything they had from it. So let me show you what I got. So I got the Bridgerton Diamond of the Season body lotion, and this one says the notes are sparkling peach, spring daffodil, and radiant jasmine. Gosh, look at that packaging. That packaging is gorgeous. Like, I love the packaging on these. It is, oh my gosh, I love it. Also got the body wash. I'm gonna have to find a way to like repurpose these ones because I'm not gonna want to throw them away. Then I also got the gel hand wash. I have smelled this one. It smells amazing. I love it. It's very crisp. It's very just peachy. I love peach scents, so it was definitely for me. This was a blind buy, but I didn't care because I'm like, I think I'm gonna like it. And I got the foaming hand soap. But no, it's a very clean. I'm definitely going to be wearing this like as long as possible. As long as I can get my hands on it, I will. I got the body cream. I got the body cream. I love how they did the writing on the packaging too. It's just so pretty. And then I got the body mist as well. It's just, this is so clean. Like, I love it. I'm so happy that I bought this as a blind buy. They did have their official launch of the products on, I believe it was Monday. I bought it early at like 5 a.m. on Sunday morning. I went on there and I bought every single scent that they released, but I will be unboxing that. I did get notification that it is on the way today, so as soon as that arrives, I will do another unboxing of the entire line of the Bridgerton Bath & Body Works collab. So if you guys want to see that, give this video a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below if you tried any of these, what your favorite scents are from Bath & Body Works. I would love to hear from you guys if you tried any of these and just what you guys kind of like from the store. And if you guys were able to grab any of the Bridgerton stuff, let me know. Be sure to hit like, subscribe, and be sure to consider becoming a channel member. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.